Have you ever wondered about the origins of our solar system? What secrets are hidden in the vastness of space, waiting to be discovered? Not too long ago, NASA launched an ambitious project, the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft. This wasn't just any regular mission. With a timeline spanning 7 years, this spacecraft was tasked with a monumental objective: to journey to the distant asteroid Bennu. But why Bennu? Well, this asteroid is believed to harbor samples that could unlock the mysteries of our solar system's formation, and perhaps even how Earth became a place where life could thrive. OSIRIS-REx was not just a vessel, but a time machine of sorts, venturing into the depths of space to collect remnants of the early solar system. These samples, like cosmic breadcrumbs, could lead us back to the dawn of our cosmic neighborhood, offering us a glimpse into the past. So, with a clear purpose and a target set, OSIRIS-REx embarked on a journey that would span billions of miles and years, a journey that was just the beginning of an epic cosmic adventure. With a goal set and a destination in mind, OSIRIS-REx embarked on a journey that would span billions of miles and years. Space, as it turns out, isn't just about exploring new frontiers. Sometimes it's about bringing a piece of those frontiers back home. In our story, OSIRIS-REx, a spacecraft designed by NASA, was the star of the show. Its mission? To collect samples from an asteroid named Bennu. This wasn't a simple grab-and-go operation. No, OSIRIS-REx had to perform a complex maneuver called a touch-and-go, where it briefly made contact with Bennu's surface to gather material. Imagine trying to scoop up a handful of sand while you're in a car moving at 60 miles per hour. That's what OSIRIS-REx had to do, except in the vacuum of space, millions of miles away from the nearest helping hand. And things didn't exactly go according to plan. During the collection, some of the samples spilled and floated away, a heart-stopping moment for the team back on Earth. But OSIRIS-REx was resilient. It managed to secure at least a cup of rubble from Bennu, making it the largest haul of asteroid samples ever collected beyond the moon. These aren't just any rocks and dust. They're remnants from the early solar system, a window into our celestial past. By studying them, scientists hope to gain insights into how our solar system formed and how Earth became habitable. Despite the odds, OSIRIS-REx succeeded in its mission to collect invaluable samples from Bennu, but the journey was far from over. Imagine a capsule traveling billions of miles, carrying with it a piece of the cosmos destined for home. This is the tale of OSIRIS-REx, a spacecraft that embarked on a 7-year-long odyssey to the asteroid Bennu and back. Its mission? To retrieve a sample from the asteroid and bring it back to Earth. After successfully gathering a cupful of asteroid rubble, OSIRIS-REx embarked on the return journey. The voyage home was not without its challenges, but our intrepid explorer persevered, logging a mind-boggling 4 billion miles in the process. Finally, after years in the cold void of space, the capsule carrying the precious cargo parachuted into the Utah desert. It was a homecoming like no other, a reunion with Earth after a monumental journey. But the adventure doesn't end there. The capsule and its contents, representing the solar system's oldest materials, are being transported to NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. There, scientists eagerly await the opportunity to analyze these samples. They believe that these fragments of Bennu could provide insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. This could help us unravel some of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos, including how our Earth became habitable. With its precious cargo safely on Earth, the mission of OSIRIS-REx was a resounding success. But what does this mean for us? So, we've brought back samples from an asteroid. But why does it matter? What can these samples tell us? Ponder on this for a moment and let's dive into the significance. These small fragments, no larger than a few ounces, hold the key to understanding our universe. They are a tangible piece of the cosmos, believed to be the remnants of the solar system's early days. Studying them could help us unravel the mysteries of how our solar system formed and evolved. It's like having a time machine that takes us back billions of years, giving us a glimpse into the past. But that's not all. The samples from Bennu, a carbon-rich asteroid, might also shed light on the origins of life on Earth. How so, you ask? Well, asteroids like Bennu are thought to have seeded Earth with the necessary ingredients for life, including water and organic molecules. By analyzing these samples, we might just find clues about how life began on our pale blue dot. The mission of OSIRIS-REx isn't over, though. It's setting its sights on a new target, the asteroid Apophis. Who knows what secrets this next venture will unveil? In the grand scheme of things, our journey to Bennu is but a small step. Yet it is a step that holds the promise of answering some of our most profound questions.